Okay, so we're going to try and take away the myth of the steering for the driving test, about feeding the wheel, crossing your hands, so on and so forth, letting the wheel slide through your hands. From a driving test point of view, what you should be looking for is nice control of the vehicle at all times. So just imagine that you've got a couple of passengers in your vehicle, and you don't want to be going up the road swaying around and throwing them around the car, so they're moving around in the car. Also, when you're on your driving test, imagine that your examiner's got a cup of coffee in their hand. We do not want to spill that coffee. Keep the coffee in the cup. If you spill it, the examiners are not going to be very happy with it, and they are going to fail you. So we're going to look at a few junctions here, just to try and debunk the myth that we have to feed the wheel on the driving test. So coming up ahead, we got a T junction. Okay, so I can see that there's a vehicle parked right opposite it. It's going to cause me a problem, so I'm going to need first gear when I get there. So I'm going to check my mirrors, and I'm going to put my signal on, and I'm going to get into position to turn right. At the moment, you can see there's no harsh steering. I'm using one hand to steer at the moment. Checking to my left, right, right. I'm going to let the wheel slide, and I'm coming back in on my side of the road. So nice and controlled, nice straight line on the exit. That's what we're looking for the driving test. We've got a bit of a sharp bend coming up in the road. So because I've got a sharp bend, I'm just going to check behind just in case I need to start braking, just in case somebody's coming around the corner. Good anticipation is good for your steering control. So we're going to have a little look around the bend. I'm just turning the wheel. I'm not crossing my hands. I'm not feeding the wheel. So nice and controlled, nice straight line in, nice control through the bend, nice control out of the bend. Junction coming up, we're going to be turning left. So I'm going to check my rear and my left mirrors. Just have a quick look at my right, just because I can. Signals, slowing it down. I can see it's quite a sharp turn. So this one, because it's a sharp turn, I'm either going to cross my hands or I'm going to feed the wheel. So I'm going to have a little look. In fact, on this one, I'm going to cross my hands. As I come out, gentle gas, and the wheel will turn itself back. I've got a nice straight line. Vehicle parked on my left. I'm going to check my right mirror. I'm going to start to come out nice and early. Gentle turn on the steering wheel. No oversteering. What we don't want to be doing is coming back in sharply. Examiners won't like it. They will mark you down for it. So we're going to pull up on the left hand side as well. So rear, left mirrors. There's a vehicle behind which is going to be approaching, so I'm going to put my indicator on for this one, and I'm going to pull in where the curb is high. So gentle brake. Clutch goes down about 3 cars from where I want to stop, and I'm just going to roll it to a gradual stop, making sure that the vehicle behind is going to go around me. Whenever we stop, handbrake, neutral, cancel the indicator, and just relax. So when we move away now, what the examiners are looking for is that you can get away safely, nice controlled steering again. So into gear, good look around, make sure everything's safe, nothing coming off the driveways over here. Vehicle reversing, I'm just going to wait a second. They park in, recheck. Indicator on for the van just in case they come in. Slight turn to the right, and then straighten the wheel back up. The other one you'll have then is going to pull up right behind a parked vehicle. So again, clutch has gone down 3 cars away. I'm going to get in nice and close. I'm not worried about blocking these driveways. Examiners may say that to you, don't worry about blocking a driveway. We're not staying for long. Okay, so at the moment now we need to oversteer to get out, just to make sure everything's safe and we're not going to hit the vehicle in front. So good look around the vehicle. I'm going to feed the wheel for a full turn, start to bring it back, little bit of gas, then release the wheel just to straighten it up. So we've got full control. Roundabout coming up. Second exit straight ahead, rear and left mirrors. Vehicles coming from my right. Another vehicle come from my right. Just wait you patiently. Need nice steering. So I'm going to start to move in. Second gear. gentle turn, mirrors, signals, and come out in a nice straight line. If you're coming out with these multiple lanes, you need to be inside your lane. We don't want to be straddling the line. We don't want to give any missed signals to other vehicles that we might be using either lane. Hope this video has helped with the steering myth that you have to feed the wheel. Please help me now by subscribing and hitting that bell just to keep up to date with any new videos which I might be putting out. As you can see, just use my right hand. I'm just driving. Left hand is doing what it wants to do. I'm in full control. Hit that subscribe button, hit the bell. Let me give you the best possible videos I can, and see you on the next video.